Hi guys, and welcome to Shooting the Shave. It's good to be back here doing another shave video. Yesterday, Sunday morning, I woke up to this. And after seeing that storm, it made me think of this shave soap, the Chiseled Face Summer Storm. And the scent notes in it are earth, rain, pine, and moss. To me, it just smells like an aquatic type smell, like water or something kind of aquatic. So the brush I'm going to use tonight is going to be a very neglected brush that I hardly ever use, and it's going to be my Omega Boar brush. And another neglected item I'm using tonight is this, my Bevel Saftey razor. And I got a Sputnik blade in there, and it's on its third use. I'm going to see how many shaves I can get out of this blade. So that's the razor, that's the soap, and the brush. I'm going to go ahead and get rinsed up and start to shave. Hope everybody's had a nice weekend. It was really, really hot this weekend, except for Sunday. A little stormy in the morning, and got really, really hot in the afternoon. Last video I told you guys that I went to a friend's house. She had a house on the lake, and we went up there for a little party. It was very nice. Wasn't too hot. It was perfect weather. That looks good. All right. Let's go ahead and get some suds. Dump all this slop out of here. Get some good stuff. Slathering up very nicely. Very nice scent. Like I said before, kind of an aquatic scent. I don't smell any moss or pine or anything like that. It's a very nice scent. Very on the scent on the profile of 1 to 10, I'd say that this is probably a 5. Not too strong, but good enough. Look at that. That's crazy. Get that out of there. This is probably probably got enough lather on here. We'll go ahead and go with that. Put this excess on my face. A little airy, this stuff, but what's in the brush will probably be real thick and pasty. Oh man, very slick. I love Chiseled Face soaps. Some of my favorite, one of my favorite soap makers. Just good stuff. All right, face lather. Nice. Very nice scent. Dip the tips. Dip the tips. That looks good. Really nice lather. Really thick lather. Very nice. All right, clear it up here a little bit. I can see what I'm doing. All right, first pass with the green. It's just cutting right through. No pulling, no tugging. Third use on the Sputnik blade. I'm really enjoying these blades. They're a Teflon coated blade. I picked these up last time I was at Pasteur's in New York, and I'm really impressed with these blades. So far, I've had the best experience with these blades. I've tried a bunch of different ones. Very nice. I gotta use this razor more. This is a really nice razor. Very heavy. All right. And as always, with any kind of chiseled face soap, residual slickness is very good. Did a good job taking down that hair on the first pass. Let me go ahead and get rinsed up. I'll come back for the second pass. Like I said before, excellent first pass. Go ahead and get ready for the second pass here. And there's just a ton of lather in this brush. Very first shave video I did was with a Chiseled Face soap. And they are just one of my favorite soap makers. I also like Oleo. Oleo and Chiseled Face, my two favorites. So far, that's subject to change over time as I use more stuff. I'm still new to this. I've been only wet shaving for about 6 months. All right, that looks good. Get this out of my nose, out of my mouth. Smell good. It smells good, but it doesn't taste good. Okay, second pass cross grain here. This razor is, it's not aggressive, but it's not exactly mild, in my opinion. I feel the blade on it. That cross grain pass felt a little uncomfortable, actually, on my mustache right there. I don't know if that's just because of the razor or if that's maybe my blade is finally starting to poop out on me. I might have to retire it after this shave. It's starting to pull a little bit now, but still getting the job done. Gotta be careful with this area down here. I still got a little bit of cuts from the last shave where I cut myself. All right, second pass done. I'm gonna go ahead and get rinsed up for the third pass. Very nice. Almost have all of it. I'm gonna see if I can get the rest of it with a third pass here. Maybe I won't have to do any pickup. All right, third pass. Perfect. Alright, third pass against the grain. Yeah, she's pulling. That blade's done. I won't be shaving with this again. So three shaves with the Sputnik blade. This razor is really, really nice. You figure with this smooth edge here, or the smooth handle here, it'd be very slippery, but it isn't slippery at all. I'm getting a really, it's easy to grip. Excellent. It feels good, nice and smooth. Only a spot to pick up here around my neck down here, so we'll go ahead and do that real quick and get a little lather to the top of this brush and just go ahead and paint the bottom there. Get it nice and covered. Beautiful. Man, not too much to pick up. Man, that razor really, man, I gotta start using that razor more. Really, really comfortable razor. Really easy. At least I didn't think I showed it in the camera earlier, but it's real nice. Got the little bevel symbol on the head there. It lines up really, really nice. Good blade alignment. My camera's not the greatest, so I'll try to get it back. Very nice blade alignment. There is no overhang on the sides. It completely covers the blade, so very nice razor. And you can pick these up at Target here in the US, or I guess if there's Targets in your country, you can pick them up there, and you can order them online. They're about 50 bucks. But very, very, very nice razor in my opinion. All right, let's take this stuff out. Try to be careful down here. This is my most sensitive spot. That's all right. Wow, great shave. It's all gone. I'm gonna go ahead and get cleaned up and come back for post shave. So for post shave, I'm gonna use the Omega alum block here. See how my shave went. See if I had a nice smooth shave with no irritation. Very nice, no burning. No burning on the mustache. A little bit here, a little bit there, but not bad. Good shave. So for post-shave balm tonight, I'm going to go with the Proraso Green. I don't know if it really complements it well. It just feels good to have a nice cooling soap after, soap after shave. After a shave. Very nice. I love this stuff. The Proraso Green is one of my favorites to use post-shave. Just feels real nice. All right, and for the post-shave balm tonight, I'm going to go with one I haven't used before. I'm going to use the Aqua Velva 5-in-1 here. So go ahead and use that. Put about that much on. The thing I like about this post-shave balm is that it's nice and thick. It's not as watery as the Nivea. That smells nice. Nice fresh smell to it. Alright, so I'm going to go over what I used tonight. The soap was the Chiseled Face Summer Storm. Very nice soap. Smelled really nice. And the safety razor, or well, let me do the brush real quick. The brush was the Omega Boar brush. Very nice brush. Okay, so the safety razor I used tonight was the Bevel Saftey razor. First time I used this razor, I didn't have the greatest shave. It was one of my first razors that I bought. This time I had a great shave with it. So I guess the blade that I used the first time in it was their blades that came with it, the bevel blades, and I don't know if it was just my technique or if if the blades were no good. I'll have to use one of their blades again and see how it performs. So okay, I did the soap, the brush, and the razor. Oh, post shave was the alum, the Omega alum stick, and the Aqua Velva post shave balm. And one of my favorite aftershaves, the Proraso Green. One of my most favorite aftershaves to use in the summertime. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for this shave. Wishing you all a great week ahead. Stay healthy and have good shaves. See you next time for another shave soon. See ya.